So Eksa sent another gaming headphones for us to check out, and this is called the Fenrir E7000 gaming headset. As per usual, we will check its physical overview, features and more. We'll tell you everything you need to know coming up. Hey, what's up guys, this is Mac and we do a lot of tech related videos like this one. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. With that said, let's begin. So what do we get inside the box? Obviously the headphones, the TRS to TRS adapter for mic and audio, and the manual. Now let's check out some physical overview. So the build is all plastic with glitter like texture material all over, except for the top headband because this one has a black carbon fiber design which is aesthetically pleasing. Over here is a very thick but very soft head cushions with leather like material, and that really looks comfortable. The headband is also adjustable with distinguishable clicks to make sure it fits most people's head, and it's also reinforced with metal for more durability. Left and right indicator are printed in glossy material. The ear cushions are also soft with leather-like material with green inner cloth to cover the speakers. This is also removable just in case you want to clean or replace it over time. On the right side, we got a very unique design that looks like two eyes looking at you, wherein this also glows in green color only. No RGB unfortunately. On the left side is where you will find the flip up and down microphone. It is flexible so you could adjust it wherever you want. The inline control are also on this side as well, with a volume and mute control. The cable is braided and permanently attached on the left side of the ear cup with TRRS 2.5mm jack input and a silver plated USB for the glowing eyes gimmick. Now let's check out its features. This is advertised as a stereo headphones. It is not 7.1. You'll definitely hear the footsteps of your enemies in FPS games, but you cannot pinpoint where they are at. But you can use a third-party software to make this 7.1. If you want to know how, just check out the video at the top right side corner of your screen and watch it later. This headphones also has a noise cancellation microphone which we'll test it out in a bit. We will not go into the specifics, but if you want to know more, just check this out and pause the video. Now let's talk about the sound quality of these headphones. To be honest, the bass punch is as good as the Edifier 820NB headphones that we have reviewed recently. The mids is on point but a little lacking on the highs in my opinion. Just a little bit, around +1, and it will be totally good. I'm actually satisfied with the sound output of these headphones for games, music, and communication. For the overall sound quality in budget category, I think I'll give this an 8.3 out of 10. Now before we talk about the microphone quality, let's test it out first. So this is the sound of the headset's mic plugged into my PC without editing. As you can see, we are in 100% and there is no noise suppression at the moment. So I know you're hearing a lot of buzzing sound, so we could use this noise suppression to turn that off, and this is the sound of the headset's mic with noise suppression on. There's a little bit of hissing at the background, and what we could do about that is just to lessen our microphone volume, perhaps up to 80%, and that will do. And all you have to do right now is just to increase the modulation of your voice. So this is the sound of the headset's mic plugged into my PC with noise suppression on in 80%. Now this is the sound of the headset's mic plugged into my iPhone in an indoor environment. Sound check, mic test, 1 2 3 4. Sound check, mic test, 1 2 3 4. So this is the sound of the headset's mic plugged into my iPhone in an outdoor environment. As you can hear, there are a lot of background sound. So this is the sound of the headset's mic. 1 2 3 4. Sound check, mic test, 1 2 3 4. Sound check. Voice is clear and understandable. It is more concentrated on the high pitches, but it is good overall. It almost have the same quality as the ET100 headphones that we have reviewed recently. For the overall microphone quality in budget category, I think I'll give this a 7.5 out of 10. Now let's talk about comfort. This headphones has no mechanism of some sort, so most of the clamping pressure will go below your ears. And to be honest, I could only wear this for like 30 minutes max and discomfort will be noticeable. Yes, the headband and the ear cushions help, but it will not do for long hours of gaming. We need something like this, if you will. Anyway, for overall comfort quality in budget category, I'll give this a 4.5 out of 10. So do you think this will last long? Now let's talk about the build quality. This will last long definitely because the build is compact, headband has metal reinforcement, cable is braided and very strong, so the overall build quality is fine. For the build quality in budget category, I think I'll give this an 8 out of 10. This is really not a bad option if you are in a budget and needed a gaming headphones with a heavy duty build, good sound output and a good microphone. The only downside I can see is the comfort quality of these headphones, but if you are not as picky as me, then this could be for you. If you want to grab one of these today, make sure to visit the link in the description and use my coupon code to get a 10% discount. If you think that this is not for you, then check out the other budget headphone reviews that we have on your screen. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next one.